Well, now that you're geared up for ski season, you'll need a way to haul that precious cargo up to the high country. Enter Rack Attack. The company teamed up with USA Cycling to build one-of-a-kind bicycles and ski racks. And this week, they opened up their store with a little help from a very special guest. I got to visit, and here's how it looks. Parker the Snow Dog and friends helped kick off the grand opening for Rack Attack, an Olympic-sized company here in Olympic City.
Just a good overlanding and 4x4 community. So we're rack specialty, and we can do anything outside of your vehicle.
With a unique design and the ability to fit almost every car, those working for Rack Attack say Colorado is the perfect place to call home.
We're pretty well-rounded. During the winter months, of course, we're going to target the ski community, and during the summer months, we can install trailer hitches to get all the bikes out and about.
And Rack Attack is located off of Garden of the Gods Road here in the Springs. They also have 2 other locations in Denver and in Golden.